Let's learn about farm animals. This is a farmer. A farmer takes care of all the plants and animals on a farm. Look, this farmer is feeding her chickens. And this farmer is going to plant some seeds. Farmers use a tractor. A tractor is a vehicle used to plow and till the soil. Hi, Farmer Joe.
Can you help me put the animals in the correct barns?
Sure, we can help you. Which animal is first? This is a duck. A duck is a water bird, meaning it can swim. They have short necks and legs. Hi, Mr. Duck, can you describe your barn? The duck's barn is yellow. Let's find the yellow barn. This barn is gray, orange, pink, teal, brown, purple, green, blue. What color is this barn? This barn is yellow. It has the number 2. Here's your barn, Mr. Duck. Our next animal is a cat. A cat has soft fur, a tail. They also have claws. They like catching mice. The cat's barn is between 8 and 10. Which number is between 8 and 10? Number 8. Nine is between 8 and 10. That's the number 10. 8, 9, 10. This is a dog. Dogs have big canine teeth and they have an excellent sense of hearing and smell. The dog's barn has the number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What number is on this barn? Let's count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a sheep. A sheep has thick wool and curvy horns. The sheep's barn has the number 10. Let's find it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This gray barn has the number 10. This is a rabbit. Rabbits have long ears and short tails. They also have long hind legs. The rabbit's barn is the first barn. Let's count down from 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This red barn has a number 1. It's the first barn. This is a pig. Pigs have hoofs and thick skin. They're short-legged and love to roll around in mud. This pig's barn is blue. Which one of these barns is blue? This barn is blue. It has a number 3. The next animal is a cow. A cow is a large animal that produces milk. They love to eat grass. The cow's barn is purple. Let's find the purple barn. Gray, orange, pink, teal, brown. What color is this barn? Yes, it's purple. Good job. It's a chicken. A chicken is a bird that lays eggs. The chicken's barn comes before the number 9. Which barn comes before the number 9? This barn has the number 9. And this barn has the number 8. The number 8 comes before the number 9. The last animal is a horse. Horses have oval-shaped hoofs, a long tail, and a long neck. The horse's barn is teal. Can you point to the teal barn? Red, yellow, blue, green, purple, brown, teal, pink, orange, and gray. The teal barn has the number 7. Good job! We helped all the animals find their correct barns. Thank you so much for watching.